Today we're going to try out two layout types. Here we have three images on the page. The layout of our images is self-directed, which means that they're placed in accordance with coordinates. Let's drag the borders of our architecture page. When we change the page size, our images stay in the same place. Okay, let's change the layout of our images to parent-directed. And now our elements placement is based on their parent component. Let's change the direction. We've got many options on how we can align components in parent-directed layout. I'll change the size of the page again to see how my images will behave. Our parent-directed elements are modified along with the page. Perfect. We've just learned the difference between two layout types and how to change them. Simple yet refined. That's the power of MintData.